Hello and welcome everyone to our fourth episode of ABAP on HANA Come S4 HANA course on YouTube with me Amrit. So in the previous session we saw some basic parts of our HANA and then we saw what is its why it's so popular. Also we saw the row and column store. Then we saw how it was adopted by the industries. Now let's discuss some more of its feature. So what is ABAP on HANA system? If I have to discuss it, what is ABAP on HANA system? So what SAP did, SAP launched NetWeaver 7.4, launched NetWeaver 7.4, who has the support for direct connectivity of ABAP system with the HANA database. We cannot directly connect our ABAP system without the HANA. So when SAP launched its NetWeaver 7.4, it has the direct support or it has the support for direct connectivity of ABAP system with HANA database. So it has direct support for connectivity, and the minimum version that we need is HANA Support Pack 6, and the minimum version that needed for it is HANA Support Pack 6. Support Pack 6. This is the minimum version that we need. So SAP launched its 7.4. It has the direct connectivity of our ABAP system with HANA database. And what is ABAP on HANA now? So a question usually asked, if I have to describe what is ABAP on HANA. What is ABAP on HANA? So ABAP on HANA is the technology. ABAP on HANA is the technology in which we need minimum version 7.4 of SAP NetWeaver and support pack 6 of HANA DB. This is the minimum version that we need. So using this ABAP on HANA technology, SAP built lots of solution. On the top of this ABAP on HANA technology, SAP built lots of solution. SAP built using ABAP on HANA technology. SAP built lots of solutions like Suite on HANA, SRM on HANA, CRM on HANA, PLM on HANA. Lots of solutions SAP built. PLM on HANA, HCM on HANA, ECC on HANA, lots of solutions SAP built. So what is ABAP on HANA? ABAP on HANA is the technology and Suite on HANA is the solution. Suite on HANA is the solution or product which was built on the top of ABAP on HANA technology. Okay. So ABAP is the technology using which ECC was built. Similarly, ABAP on HANA is the technology on which Suite on HANA was built. But Suite on HANA was not a big success for SAP. If we talk about Suite on HANA was not a big success. On HANA was not a big success. The reason was in Suite on HANA, lots of tables were still following row store concept, which was old. Lots of table were still following row store concept. Lots of secondary indexes were there. Lots of secondary indexes were there still. Lots of secondary indexes were there still. So since this solution was not that big success, that is why in 2015, SAP came with another solution. SAP came with another solution, and they named it S4 HANA. So what is S4 HANA? S4 HANA is the solution or the product which is built on the top of ABAP on HANA, which was launched in 2015. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. So now let's move on to S4 HANA. Let's discuss that. What is it? S4 HANA. S4 HANA. Here S stands for simplified fourth generation. Simplified fourth generation. SAP launched its fourth generation product in 2015, which was named S4 HANA, which works only and only on HANA DB. So SAP launched its fourth generation in 2015, which was named S4 HANA, and it only works on HANA DB. Okay, I hope it is clear. So SAP HANA is the solution. S4 HANA is the solution which was built on the top of ABAP on HANA technology and which only works on HANA DB. This is available both on on-premise and cloud as well. This is available on both on-premise and cloud. Okay. So you might have heard the concept of public and private cloud. At this moment everything is moving towards cloud. That is why SAP has also given this option, both on-premise and cloud. So in simple word, S4 HANA is a solution launched by SAP in 2015, which comes in two flavors, on-premise and cloud, both. It is a fourth generation product which is built on the ABAP on HANA platform. ABAP on HANA technology. 2015, built on the top of ABAP on HANA technology. Which was named S4 HANA and only works on HANA DB. So this is the concept of your ABAP on HANA system. Okay. Alright, let's discuss the architectures. So architecture of HANA. Architecture of HANA. Let's discuss that. What are the things that we see in case of our HANA DB? So in our HANA architecture, what you are going to see, the first component that you will find will be your HANA Access Engine, HANA Access A, Extensible Service Advance, Services Advance, and Access, which is Extensible Services. What is this HANA Access Engine? So it is a lightweight application server. It is in your HANA we have a lightweight application server. It is a lightweight application server. inside the HANA architecture itself. Inside the HANA architecture itself. So we have direct a lightweight application server which is called Access Engine, and that is we can directly run our programs on HANA. We don't need any other server. We can directly run our program on HANA itself. This simply means it is not only a database to perform read or write operation, but it also contains a lightweight application server which is called Access Engine, and it is capable of executing programs. It is capable of executing programs and building application and its life cycles directly on HANA system. Guys, HANA is not only a database. That's why it's not only, it's in the its full form, it is called as a appliance. It is not only a database. HANA comprises of lots of things. So it is a lightweight application server inside the HANA architecture itself, which is called Access Engine, and it is capable of running lots of programs. Okay, but if you talk about for executing a BAP, for executing a BAP, we need application layer. Application layer, because application layer provides the runtime environment. The runtime environment. So we cannot directly execute a BAP on HANA. Directly on HANA DB, we cannot execute a BAP programming. We will need, as still we will need application layer, so we will have to connect with that. So what kind of programs we can run with this lightweight application server? What kind of program? So the various applications supported by HANA server, the various applications that we can build directly on HANA DB supported by HANA application server are Node.js, Java runtime environment provides Java runtime environment for Java execution. We can directly build an end-to-end Java application on it. We can directly build an end-to-end HTML5 application and some other also. Let's say etc. So we can build an end-to-end Node.js Java HTML application directly on HANA system and execute it without any ABAP application layer. So some company also is usually buying the HANA database. They are not buying the ABAP server because they don't need it. Only as a ABAP developer we need a ABAP server. So our company actually is going to purchase that, right? Then we have the second component. The second component is index server. So this is the actual in-memory computer engine. This is the actual in-memory computer engine, IMCE. This is the actual in-memory computer engine, IMCE, and this is our actual database. If we divide our HANA into several parts, this is the section which consists of our database. So this is the actual database that we have. Then we have the third one, which is name server. Name server helps us. It helps us to coordinate between multiple HANA boxes. If you have multiple HANA boxes in case of distributed environment, then this name server comes into the picture and it will help us to coordinate between them environment. Okay, name server is there. Then we have script server also for scripting language. So script server is also there. Fourth component, this script server allows us to support runtime application, runtime for third-party integration libraries. So this script server allows us to support runtime for third-party integration libraries, integration libraries. Okay, what kind of third party? For example, let's say R language used in machine learning. You might know it, used in machine learning. Machine learning. AFL, AFL for application function library, application function library. Okay, then we have EML, external machine learning library, machine learning library. Okay, then another component for our HANA architecture, fifth one, doc store, very important. So this is again guys an interview question, also a certification course question. So it is the third type of database. So it is the third type of store, basically third type of database store in HANA 2.0. HANA 2.0. So if you go and check on your ABAP application layer, you will only find the concept of row store and column store, but this is only on HANA. So it allows us to store document in form of compressed JSON directly on HANA database. It allows us to store data, the document in form of a compressed JSON directly on HANA database. It allows us to store document in form of compressed JSON directly in HANA database. We cannot choose this from ABAP side. Those who specifically work on doc store component, only they will use this particular data type. As a ABAPer, we don't have the access of this thing, but those who are directly working on doc store component, native HANA development, they will use this particular data type. Okay. And at last we have some integration also. So integration tools, some integration tools, data lifecycle management tools, tooling support for HANA administration, lots of things are there of our HANA architecture. HANA Access Engine, very important. It provides a direct runtime environment for execution of lots of programs like Node.js application, J or Java application, HTML, and another one also. Then we have this in-memory computer engine, which is our actual database where data is stored. Then we have names server, which provide us to coordinate between multiple HANA boxes. It helps us to coordinate between multiple HANA boxes. Then we have a script server for third-party integration libraries. Doc store concept is there, which was launched in HANA 2.0, and it allows us to store document in form of compressed JSON directly in HANA database. So this integration tools are there, helps in integrating HANA with other component like big data, Hadoop, etc. We have tooling support for HANA administration also for basis consultants. Okay, so there are certain tools which can directly connect. Let's see them also. There are certain tools which can directly connect with HANA system. Various tools. Which can connect with HANA. If you go and talk about the tools, we have ABAP server for executing ABAP code. BW server is there, right, for mainly performing analytics or read operation. Performing analytics and read operations. Then web server is there. A web server or a browser can connect up to SAP HANA. connects to SAP HANA. A web browser, a web server or web browser can easily connect. And then we have HANA Studio, which we will see it in the next part. What is HANA Studio and what is Eclipse? What is the difference between them? So HANA Studio is there. Studio. This tool also connects to HANA database, to connect to HANA directly, to connect to HANA directly. HANA Studio, lots of things are there in this course. We will see them one by one. This was just for introduction again, the part of our architecture of our HANA system. Then we saw what is S4 HANA, what is the difference between Suite for HANA and S4 HANA, what is your ABAP on HANA system. You must understand all these concepts, very important. Okay, so this is all for this lecture. Thank you very much for watching the video.